Yeah, to secure this site, not secured. So it's a simple method. For free, if you see the particular site is not all other secured, I want to secure it. The first thing to do is that there's a software that you can use for free. We call it SAT So SAT we type the commands. The name of the domain must be there. Type these commands and press enter key. So it will generate a code that you need to create file for, and the name of the file must be this. You can see 911, and this will be the content of the file. Let me copy it. I highlighted it, Ctrl C. So now I can create the file. I can go to the let me type edit. I can use it, paste it, Ctrl V. So where you have to stop can be the name of the file. You copy from here to here. You cut Ctrl C. Save as. Ctrl V. That will be the name of the file. So the file has been created. I'm going to access the folder using the FTP. So once I log in, you have this. I log into this particular directory. After logging into this particular directory, I can now go down here to locate the file that I just created. 9L is the name of the file. I can drag it to this folder, come down to this particular directory and drop it. So it's moving, it's transferring. So it has completed the transfer. So 91. So after completing the transfer, I can go back to that same prompt and complete by pressing enter key. So it will create the address folder where I will copy it has done it successfully. Good. So I will have to go to this folder and copy both the key, the private key. This and this has been created. So let me move to that folder. Sabot live advanced.store. Sabot, go to drive C. Where Sabot, scroll up. Sabot live. So I'm going to this particular folder where I can access this file and this file. So where I can get the key that will last me for the next 3 months. So I will go back to my cPanel. In my cPanel, access SSL. Ads username ads pass, the password, press enter key. Good. I'll come down here. Might need SSL. Come down here and pick the domain. I'll copy this code, Ctrl C, Ctrl S, Ctrl C to copy. So it has extended to June 26. I go to the private key also, copy the code for the from the private also. Sell goods. Live. Store. Sorry. Copy. Store. So I'm copying this private key. Ctrl C. Then paste it here. So install. I have installed the SSL without paying any dime. So if you don't understand, for you to get the link to get the software or download, visit my channel or chat me. Thanks.